Hello everyone! Welcome to Little Scientist episode 6. My name is Kiwon and I am Early Childhood Educator at Early and Luminous Community Services. Do you know we breathe every day when we are sleeping and when we are singing la 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 la, and when we are dancing and when we are eating we breathe. But do you know leaves, they breathe too. Let's hear. I don't hear anything. Then how do we know the leaves breathe or not?
I wonder what's gonna happen.
What happened?
I want to see it too.
Wow! Does a tree or plant breathe the same way as we humans do? No, a plant, tree, or leaf doesn't have any lungs or respiratory system. But it is a living organism just like we are. It takes in air through their stomata.
Here's my leaf and I want to look at it more closely. Can you see it? And I see some lines. You can see the lines. See? You see the big middle line and also you can see some side lines. It's called midrib and veins. They help to carry water, minerals, and food. You will need some crayons, leaves, and some white papers. This is second activity. You will need paint or food color at home You can use your Q-tips or brush or cotton balls. Did you enjoy leaf activities? That was so fun. Now let's go outside and see the different trees. Different trees have a different shape of leaves. Wow, that'll be so fun. Let's go outside and see. So, what shape of the leaves do you like the most? I liked everything. They were so pretty. Now, I made some paper leaves. I made some maple leaves and have some different shape of the leaves with the different colors, as you see, like this. So, what can I do with this? I can sort it out with the same color. I can sort it out with the brown colors, same brown colors. Where are you? Here you go, all the brown colors. And I can sort it out, of course, with the red colors. I have red and red and red. And use yellow and orange. Now, yes, you can sort it out with the same shape of the leaves too. And the last, most fun activity is we throw in the air. Wow! Wow! So you can throw in the air at home and have fun with your parents and have fun with your sisters and have fun with your family. Okay, thank you for watching Little Scientist episode 6. We'll see you next time. Bye!